Hello everyone, it's Hungry Masha. Today we start our video outside because we are going to make pizza on a baking stone on this grill. And we are going to check whether this pizza is as good as the real Italian one. Let's go.
Go, 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 go.
To begin with, we will make the dough. We take 200 milliliters of water, 8 grams of salt, we will need 330 grams of flour, but first I will add just a bit, maybe 50 grams. We mix it and we add a teaspoon of sugar with 3 grams of fresh yeast. Then we add the rest of flour. And we knead it. Now we leave the dough in room temperature for an hour. Now we will divide the dough into 3 parts. Можем обрезать чуть-чуть. And we leave the dough for 3 more hours in room temperature. The dough is ready, now we will roll it. Были чётко.